Previously, we talked about the database Tumblebooks and how to access the books through Tumblebooks database. Today, we're going to use Tumblebooks again, but we're going to look at the games that are offered through Tumblebooks Library. So again, from the Loveland Public Library.org webpage, click on Electronic Reference and scroll down to the very bottom. They're in alphabetical order, and click on Tumblebook Library. It's going to take a second for it to pull up. And there are our options. And if you look at the multicolored tabs, kind of a quarter of the way up or halfway up on the page, storybooks, read-alongs, ebooks, graphic novels, nonfiction, videos, language learning playlists, puzzles and games. We're going to look at puzzles and games features today. So I'm going to click on the hot pink tab, and up comes some options. We have new games, memory games, and games in Spanish. So let's look at the sentence game, The Bears We Know. So I'm going to click on it. And again, it's going to give me details about the book. Not a whole lot. And this says it's a sentence game for Bears We Know. And let's go ahead and on the left side of the page, let's click on Play Game. And up comes the game. It's loading. The Bears We Know, written by Brenda Silsby. And let's click on Start. And I can have Tumblebooks read the sentence for me by pressing on the microphone or just pressing in the box, I think.
They sleep late every day.
So then, after hearing that sentence, I'm going to look for the picture that shows them sleeping late every day. So let's go with the center one. And if we're right, the outline around the picture will turn green. We're right! Let's go to the next page. And again, I can read the sentence or I can tap in the box.
They wear very tight bathing suits and sing all the time.
Oh, which one shows them in bathing suits? It looks like they're sleeping, but you can see musical notes. It's that middle one. I'm going to try that one again. And if it turns green, I know I got it right. I didn't get it right. Uh-oh. Let's click in the box and see if I can find the right picture.
They sit on the long windowsill and drink coffee and pick tasty crumbs out of their fur.
What do you think? Let's go after hearing the clues in the sentence with the first one. Let's see if it turns green. Yay! And you're going to continue having Tumblebooks read the sentence to you or reading them yourselves until you get to the end of the story. So that is our sentence game. And I'm going to just use the back arrows to get back. And in the new games collection, it looks like they're all sentence games, so very similar to what we look. If you click on the arrow, it'll forward to some more games. Let's look at memory games, and I'm going to click on one of my favorite stories, Enemy Pie. It gives me information about the book, and I'm going to look at Read Online. Let's see. The time, it's going to time me, and I'm going to do matching. So I'm going to click on this upper right-hand corner, and I'm going to look for the picture that's similar to that. Nope, not a match. Let's click right there. Oh, I do remember seeing that. We got a match. Let's keep clicking. Oh, it looks like wheat or grass. That was lucky. Let's see right here. Oh, we're looking for a pie. Nope. Click right there. Baseball player. I did see that baseball player earlier though. And I made a match. So it's going to continue to time me until I get all the matches made in this game. Fun, fun, fun to test your memory. And it's with a familiar title too, Enemy Pie. So I'm going to click the back arrow and keep going back. And then I look at my arrow to the right of the page, and I have other options and other games to play. And don't forget, there are games in Spanish also. I love Robert Munch, so shopping in the shopping store or grocery store, and then you can see other options too. So that gives you a little bit of information about puzzles and games on Tumblebook database. And again, it's a free resource. All you need is a library card. Thanks. Have a great day.